He's done it.
No, which one?
They're like...
Alright, after being locked up on lockdown here for the last week with rain most of the week, we are finally getting out of the house. Look how excited everybody is! Woohoo! Who's excited?
Brady.
Brady's excited. Daddy's excited. Lukey, you excited?
Lucky? Yeah?
No.
He's laughing.
Alright, well we're out to go for an adventure. We made it to the beach in Pacific Grove, and beautiful day here.
These things like... No, don't do that, Lukey.
Gentle, gentle.
Gentle like this. Watch it. It goes... I just can't see.
What you guys up to?
We're finding hermit crabs
Yeah?
that might be hurt because of these rocks.
Oh yeah? Are you liking this place way better than you thought you would?
Yeah.
What about you, Brady?
Because you said we're going to Surf Beach.
Surf Beach. Yeah, does this look like Surf Beach?
No. Daddy.
What's up, dude?
You said that we're going to Big Sur.
We still are. So Kaylee, what did we find over here?
We found it kind of looks like a cave.
It kind of looks like a cave. Yeah? Pretty cool. What about the view?
Just the ocean.
Just the ocean? Nothing
And
special?
rocks.
What do you got, Brady? What do you got there, man?
Can I step in the mud?
Yeah?
Can I step in the mud?
Looks like some seaweed, dude. We made it to Big Sur. Check out those views. Beautiful.
He's like down there. Daddy will have to slide down there.
You die. Here we are. Got a rocky bridge.